Looking for a unique view for your travel vlog? Or want to add production value to your film project in an easy way? Drones can help you with that. Indeed, owning a drone is a lot cooler than actually using it, and to be very honest, tech can go a long way. Now, apart from videography, drones have also been used to deliver food packages. And not to mention that now drones come with such amazing quality and stabilization than before. But of course, all that coolness doesn't come at a cheap price. So if you are looking to buy a drone, then get ready to spend some cash. But at the same time, make sure to do your research good. After all, you are gonna spend anywhere between hundreds to thousands of dollars. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk you all through the best drones in 2022. So sit back and make sure to stick with me till the end of the video so that you don't miss anything. Now without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Number 7. DJI Mini 2. If you are just starting out and want to record ultra-smooth 4K 30 footage from the air, then DJI Mini 2 is the best option available for you in the market. With long battery life, a robust wireless connection, and 4K video, the DJI Mini 2 is the best drone you'll find for less than $500. Not only that, but it also comes with a 4K video camera that can snap 12 megapixel photos as well. It can fly for nearly half an hour, and the best part is that it only weighs 249 grams, which means that you can fly it without the FAA registration. But make sure to pass the online knowledge test after getting your hands on the drone. And did I mention its excellent stabilization even at that 400-foot altitude? Well, seems like a great deal to me, and if you have less budget with you, then you can also buy its clone, aka DJI Mini Southeast, which is priced at only $300. Number 6. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Though super tiny in size, DJI Mini 3 Pro can do wonders for you, and trust me, it can do much more as compared to its tiny size. If you are looking to upgrade your DJI Mini 2, then DJI Mini 3 Pro would totally work for you. This ultralight drone is palm-sized and comes with a 34-minute battery life. But for a 45-minute flight, you can totally extend it, but it will cost you some fees. It features an automated flight mode, 4K 60 video, and 3-way obstacle sensors. And if you get nervous around the complex spaces, then don't worry, as its APAS function can help it self-navigate through all those spaces. So if you are looking to add the B camera to your aerials, then DJI Mini 3 Pro is just what you need. Number 5. Parrot anafi. If you are a creator looking for a small drone, which is also capable of 4K video, then anafi is just what you need. It can easily fit small bags and luggages, and also comes with a protective zipper case, so that you don't have to worry about your drone while traveling. Though it debuted long before the ultralight, it never got that famous. But its long and skinny design makes it perfect drone for travelers and content creators. And the best part is that it can be charged with the same USB-C charge, which charges your phone. With 4K HDR video support and a gimbal that enables some upward tilt, its camera is also top-notch. And you can get your hands on it in only $369.09. Number 4. DJI Air 2S. With premium 1-inch sensor camera, several automated flight and safety features, DJI Air 2S is indeed one of the best drones in the market. So, if you are a stills first creator who wants a compelling drone, then DJI Air 2S would do the work for you. It also captures a wider dynamic range, so photos have more leeway for edits to exposure. Not only that, it also features the choice of 3 profiles for you along with the 5.4K video resolution. But before you get too happy, remember to register this drone with FAA. Its camera also comes with an oversized sensor along with the 20MP stills. And the best part is that you can also snap photos in the JPG or RAW format with the DJI Air 2S. Along with its 30-minute battery, it also features an ADS-B, which warns you about any nearby aircraft. But it is a little pricey, and you can buy it for $999 from Amazon through the link in the comments below. Like the video so far. Then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as a little action from you can help our channel grow tremendously. Now let's get back to the video. Number 3. Autel Evo Lite. Are you a creator who loves drones, but not from DJI? Want to make a 6K video with your drone? Then Autel Evo Elite Plus can do the job for you. It can easily be carried in a bag and offers a competitive picture quality, and all thanks to its Type 1 sensor camera. And the best part about Autel Evo Lite Plus is that you will not have to use ND filters, as it comes with a variable aperture to cut the incoming light. It also avoids the mid-air accidents with its 3-way obstacle sensors and can fly for about 40 minutes if fully charged. But it is also a little pricey and comes with a price tag of $1,319, but trust me, every penny will be worth it. Number 2. Ryze Tello. If you are a teenager who wants to play it safe when it comes to drones, then Ryze Tello will be the perfect drone for you, and here's why. It only comes with a 720 pixel camera, which is not a lot and of course can't be used professionally. But if you want to gift it to your kid, then it would make the perfect drone. It is more like a learning toy, and you can fly this small quadcopter with your phone or controller as well. Your kid can also learn the basics of coding through this, as Tello supports the MIT's Scratch coding platform. So, if you connect your quadcopter to the laptop containing the Scratch, so it can execute the command as well, which is pretty fun, to be honest. And the best part is that you can get your hands on it for only $99 from Amazon. That's quite surprising, keeping in view the functions it performs. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3. Are you a professional filmmaker, cinematographer, or vlogger looking for a professional drone? Then Mavic 3 is just what you need. It indeed provides the best drone camera in all the foldable designs. It delivers the best stills in the market, and all thanks to its big 4/3 format sensor along with a Hasselblad color profile. It also comes with a built-in GPS, which not only keeps the drone steady in the air, but also allow it to fly around obstacles due to its all-around obstacle sensors. If you want to upgrade it with 1 TB storage, then make sure to have $4,999 with you, as its scene version is gonna cost you that much. It can fly for over 40 minutes in air and requires the FAA registration. But if you're looking to make some money out of your drone work and videos, make sure to have an operator's license with you. Well, which drone did you like the most? And did you find today's video helpful? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, it's time for us to say goodbye, but don't be sad, as we will be back with another video soon. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon button so that you don't miss any update from my channel. See you all soon. Thanks for watching.